beautiful car. Very cold. Let's see what we're getting again for 44 there for the intake air temperature. Hey guys, Kirk from Forced Induction Interchillers here. I want to introduce you to our 2015 plus Ford Mustang and GT500 Interchiller kit. Now this suits every model from 2015 plus, every single sub-variant model onwards. Doesn't matter if you've got the special editions, the Roushes, the whatever it is, suits all of them. The AC system's the same across all of those models. So you could be running a big block Chev in your Mustang, we don't care. So first up, this is the chiller here, obviously. We're pre-making all of the AC hoses for you. We're using CNC fittings to adapt into the AC system. Every single one of our kits now comes with our new normally open solenoid valve. This is much higher flowing than the valve we used to use previously off the shelf. Coming with an electrical relay harness, so everything's done for you. Simply just plug it in. Got our dryer bracket. Insulation here is for your water fittings and AC fittings on the chiller core itself to minimize those energy losses. Foam sleeving the suction line for you to minimize the energy loss there. Additional foam sleeve you can use on your intercooler hoses. Part of the stage 2 kit, we're using a secondary AC condenser. This is eliminating more heat out of the AC system, as well as a high performance spout pusher fan, condenser mounting brackets and fan mounting kit. This here is your electrical harness for your switch, which is going to control the relay and the solenoid, and also the fan. Optional to the kit is our 2011 plus Ford Mustang Coyote spacers. The spacers and the blanket combined, even without a chiller, will lower the running temperature of your supercharger by 40 to 50 Fahrenheit. Alone, they'll gain you 20 to 25 horsepower, but with the chiller, now the chiller's fighting even less temperature, so it can get even colder and make even more power. Now, optional to the kit, some of you guys ask about these all the time, is the AN fitting. So what these do is you screw these onto your AN ports for a leak-proof seal. You get your 3/4 inch rubber hose, jam it on there, and it locks in place. That's why it's a push lock fitting. So all in all, beautiful kit. If you have a look on the front of the car here, it's way down the bottom there behind the crash bar. It can't be seen, and obviously gets really, really nice and cold. We also have a tank coming out shortly, next couple of weeks, which is going to be a 3-gallon tank, which will go underneath the headlight over here. It will not be seen, adding additional fluid capacity to the system for you. So really cool kit, bolts on, really simple, easy to follow video instructions, just bolt everything on. Alrighty, Ford Mustang GT500 with our stage 2 interchiller on it. Gonna check the fluid temperature here. Fahrenheit. Getting nice and cold up there on the supercharger. This is using our plug and play Ford Mustang kit. All CNC fittings, pre-made AC hoses, everything just simply bolts on. Let's check out intake air temperature, 41 degrees. It's currently 96 here at the moment. So getting very nice and cold there. You see condensation building up on the front of the supercharger. Getting very, very cold. Working really, really well. Very happy with it. Order your kit online from FIInterchillers.com. Okay, we're just sitting here at idle, and this is your worst case scenario because your airflow's the worst. You know, we're not driving or anything, and you can see here we're at full operational temps. And our worst case scenario is 46 degrees at the vent when you're stationary.